So guys, we ordered Tiger Manjuu. Then we choose assorted flavors. And we forgot
with one hot dog.
yeah. Now we forgot that manjus are not transparent manjus. So we have to figure out which one is that.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Gacha gaming. Can you guess the hot dog?
I actually don't want to know. It would be something happened at the hot dog. I don't know,
Wait,
I'm
Manjuu gacha.
Manjuu gacha. Okay, ready na?
3,
2, 1. Oh my!
peanut butter. Hindi.
I got the hot
Sige, ma.
dog!
I got custard. You hate custard.
No!
I got Gemma and I was okay. No way.
Kasi, ano? Alam mo yung the waffle thingy, tapos may hot dog inside.
Sa'yo.
Yeah, it tastes like that.
Well,
Yeah!
yes. Woo!
She got the hot dog.
Gacha!
And you got the one that you hated.
No!
I'm just gonna suck it up.
Oh no.
There we go.
Kaya na.
I said huge. Oh my god.
Kaya na.